universe inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would go ahead and do my desk tour because I know I said I was going to do my desk tour and I haven't done my desk tour, and I thought this would be a great way to like lead into the apartment tour, which isn't quite ready yet because your girl gotta clean. But yeah, so yeah, I thought I would just go ahead and show you guys my desk tour, all the little knickknacks, tell you where I got things from, inspire some people, because let's just face it, you know, decor is inspiration. So yeah, I thought I would go ahead and do that. And yeah, guys, the apartment tour is coming. It's gonna come up next month, July, so I'm really excited about that, and I can't wait to show you guys my full apartment tour. And yeah, and the next video after this will be my bullet journal for July. So if you want to get organized with me and plan with me, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see that video next week. And make sure you follow me on my social media, my Instagram and my Snapchat, to stay current on when videos are posted. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright guys, I thought I'd start with an overview of my desk area, and then we'll just get into some details. Sorry about the fan you can hear. I just turned off my air for you guys and I realized it was in my intro, so sorry about that. But yeah, I keep doing that. I keep having the AC on, but it's okay. So the first thing you'll notice is I have these lights. These LED lights actually came from IKEA. I bought them when I was in Maryland, and then I just literally have tape clinging it to the wall, and then I had these little pom-pom ball things, I think is what it's called, or something like that, ping pong balls, that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut little holes in them. You can probably see it a little bit. And I stuck the little lights in. They're LEDs, so they won't like burn them or nothing, but I don't leave them on, just, you know, just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you what they look like with the lights on. And I just like it. At night, it's so beautiful. It's like a twinkly little glow. And so, yeah, I really love these lights a lot. And it's kind of like vanity, but not really. Over here, I have my letterboard. And right now, I'm still rocking this quote. Hold on. I've got to overthink about it because I literally overthink everything. So, yeah, that's what this quote is. And I love my letterboard. I put different things depending on my mood. Right now, this has been my mood. I've been overthinking a lot lately, so yeah. But anyways, below that, I have this. Oh, and this came from, where did this come from? This came from TJ Maxx. I got it on sale for like $12. So yeah, and I'm just holding it up with command strips because I don't want to damage my walls too much, because like I told you guys, I'm going to be moving, hence the apartment tour getting pushed up, because I really wasn't going to do it until like my birthday time. But yeah. Below, I have this mirror, and you can kind of see me. You can see my outfit. But this is mirror from Target, and I got it for $5. And yeah, it was in like the little like knick-knack section in the front. I love that section so much. And yeah, that's the mirror. And I don't know why I have a mirror up here. I actually thought about taking it down, but then just like, it's so cute because it goes with the black and the gold. And yeah. Over here is my acrylic board. So I love this board so freaking much. And I actually changed it a little bit. Usually I put the whole month on here, but right now I don't have the whole month. So you just have the months at the top. And usually I put like some cute little heart if it's like February or clouds or whatever. It's kind of like a star, not really. But, and you can put, like, they have sections for you to put the dates in it yourself, and then you can just write whatever you have, like my upload days, which I don't really do. I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm not really doing. And then the bottom has notes, and then this is actually bolted to the wall. So you put the little bolt part on and then like screw it on. I got this from TJ Maxx, but a TJ Maxx in Greenville, South Carolina, so not where I'm living. And it was $16, $17, something like that, under $20. And I'm just so obsessed with this acrylic board. It's so cute. I saw one on, whose channel was I watching? I was watching the Sorry Girls, and they had like a massive acrylic board. I was like, I want that, but not, you know, not so big. And I found it, and I was just like, yes. So that's where I got that from. Okay, so let me show you my trash can. This is my trash can. It's marble, which I love so much, and it's from Ross. I bought it for like $4. The desk itself is from IKEA. It is, I want to say $25, and I think the legs are like $4, and the desk itself is like $8. So, and I just want it all white. I thought about getting black legs, but I was like, no, I want white, because once you see my apartment tour, you'll realize everything in my apartment is basically white. White, a little bit of gray, and then a little bit of splashes of black. But that's how I'm feeling right now. So right here I have this pen holder, and basically on one side I have all my dry erasing markers, because I didn't want to get them mixed up with the permanent markers and start writing on that board and start crying. So here are my dry erase markers that I use on my board. I have in the middle of this, I have the speaker, my Bluetooth speaker, and then below that I have these clips because they couldn't fit in the little containers on the side I'm about to show you. And then I have pens and my ruler that I use for my bullet journal, and you know, my X-Acto knife. Don't be scared, it's a knife. It's an X-Acto knife. And like pencils and highlighters and stuff like that. This container came from Home Goods, and it was $5. And then most of the markers and pens and stuff came from Dollar Tree. This came from Walmart. This came from Ross, and it was $12. So then right next to that, I usually put my Bluetooth speakers. These I got from Ross, and they were $17. This book I love so much. It's The Princess Saves Herself in this one, by Amanda Lovelace, and it's really good. It's basically a poem book, but some of the poems, like, I actually like bent them over because I felt bad about it because I'm ruining the book, but some of these poems really like touched my heart, and some of them make you actually want to cry. So if you're looking for a good book to read, then I suggest this one. And I have a lot of books. Most of them are in my room. I just finished this one, so that's why this one's up here. And then the ones that I'm reading technically are in my bed, so that way I can read them at night before I go to sleep, because that's my mission. And then next to that, I have this is my stapler, which I got from Target, as well as this tape dispenser. And they were like $12 each, I believe. And I love the gold detailing. Like, it's so hard to find a cute stapler and a cute tape dispenser. Really, really hard. Over here I have my dry erase eraser. And I got this from Dollar Tree. It had a little sticker on top. I took that off and I was like, oh, this is cute. This matches the desk. Then I have Marvel notebook paper, which came with like this little set thing that I'm about to show you guys. And then over here next is my like clips and stuff. These are my paper clips, and I have little like push pins because I'm actually thinking about getting a dream board and putting an actual dream board. Then they have these little clips. So, and they came with these little in these little jars, but I kind of tried to spray paint them to make them a little bit more gold. Didn't work out that great, but whatever. Makes them look a little vintage. And then next to that, I have this little picture frame, which I got from TJ Maxx. Oh, that came from TJ Maxx, and it was like $12, like for the set, this and that. And it came with a pen. Don't know where the pen is. This pen came with it. So yeah, it was a little set. And then I got this frame from TJ Maxx as well. You might notice I go to TJ Maxx a lot. They have a lot of good stuff on sale. And basically, it was just a picture frame. I put a white piece of paper on the other side. It was kind of messed up, and you could kind of still see it, but whatever. I put a quote, not a quote, but like an inspirational saying on there. You can do anything, just to motivate me. I really like it because it's gold and matches my aesthetic, and it also has like the black and white marble in the frame, so I thought that was cute. This is my light. And I got this lamp from Target. It was on sale for $20 originally. I think it's like $30 or something like that. And I just love it. It's LED. And the greatest thing about it is you put your finger on it. You don't have to press anything. Just put your finger on it and light comes on automatically. And it's like this orangish glow, kind of like the twinkle lights above us. And so I really, really love this lamp. It's so cute. Alright, then next to that I have my big planner, which was from last year to the end of this year, and this planner goes out. This planner started giving me anxiety. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It says hello beautiful, and it's very beautiful. It's a nice planner, but it started giving me anxiety because of it's so much. Like, it's the whole year. I started getting overwhelmed. I had to let it go. So For now, anyways, until I feel like I still put like important things like bills in here, like when bills are due or about to come out or whatever. But for the most part, like small knick-knack things, I try to like keep it towards the month instead of like looking at it for the whole year, because that really stresses me out. So that's when I started making this is my bullet journal. And so I'm just going to show you the first part, because I'm going to be doing Plan With Me, my bullet journal for July. And so I don't want to show you guys that part yet. But this is my bullet journal for June. And I'm just going to show you guys this part. This is how I like created my overview. And then this is my calendar. And then I have goals over here. And then right here, which I will show you guys more about in depth in my Plan With Me video next week, is I'm doing a mood tracker to show how I'm feeling. And so this is that so far, and I didn't feel a couple of days because I know I was happy, but yeah, I gotta put those in there, but I will show you guys that. So this is my new planner, bullet journal, and I've been using this just to go month by month so I don't get overwhelmed. And then I also have this book right here on my desk, and it says On the Day, and basically this is my YouTube book. So, oh, is it upside down? No, it's not upside down. Basically, this is my YouTube book, and I'm not gonna show you my videos, but I put all of my YouTube videos in here, things I want to film and the order I want to film them and things like that, and ideas for them. So that goes in there. So these are really like my two most important books right now. You stay on my desk because you overwhelm me. You're there for reference. And then this is my laptop. I have an HP laptop. Really want a MacBook, but can't afford it. I got this on sale at Target. And yeah, as you can see, I go to all the T places. Target, TJ Maxx, yeah. Except for IKEA. IKEA's an I place. But yeah, so it's white. I thought I'd go with my aesthetics. I love the fact that it's white. And yeah, it just goes with the flow of everything. So let me just give you guys a quick, you know, overview of my desk so that you can see what it looks like. The acrylic board and all. And then so I already told you guys what the desk is from. That contact paper down there, don't pay attention to that. That's for something else. I have my backpack here with a lot of papers in it, and another bag here with a lot of papers in it. And then this is my chair. My chair is actually from, oh, you can see this. This is my DIY thing that I made. It actually goes around here. Let me go ahead and put that back up there so y'all don't see that, so you don't think it's just like randomly sitting there. It covers my I forgot what's the thing, utility box, so that it doesn't look all, you know, not cute. But anyways, this is my chair, and my chair is from, it's thrifted actually. I got it from the thrift store at Goodwill. It's actually an IKEA chair, but it was really, really super dirty, and like, I can show you guys, like scratched up and stuff. So I bought this little fake fur rug thingy from Ross and put it on top of it. It's $15. And then I just spray painted the legs gold, hence why I tried to spray paint the little jars gold, and it didn't work out that well. So I spray painted the legs gold, and this is just my chair, and I love it. It's soft, it's comfortable. I wanted a swivel chair, but this is awesome, and then I made it my own. So this, you guys, is my desk tour. So I hope you guys liked it, and yeah. What did you think? Do you like the desk tour office area? I like it a lot. I feel very organized, and I really, really like it. I know I work like on things in my living room, my bedroom, but I also like taking things to my desk because I feel like it's somewhere I can just like pour out all my drama and get it organized. So yeah, I really, really like my desk, and I like all the things that I got for it and how I worked it in and things like that. So yeah, I hope it inspired you guys to like get yourselves, you know, organized and put together, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying right now. It's hot. But yeah, I hope it inspired whoever's like looking for like, I love watching like tour videos because it just inspires me to want to like, you know, create my vibe in my living space. And like, I don't know, that's just motivational for me to like stay organized and to keep things beautiful and clean and nice and neat. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and I guess I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.